Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell icon. If you haven't done it, please do subscribe and stay tuned to my channel for continuous videos and updates from my side. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is trigonometry. I will teach the concept of all silver teacups. So with the help of this all silver teacups, we can decide whether the particular angle value is positive or negative. So why to waste time? Let us jump into the topic. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics studying relationships between the triangle sides and angles using ratios like sine, cosine, tangent, crucial for fields like engineering, physics, and navigation to solve problems involving heights, distances. Trigonometry is a word which is derived from Greek. Trigonometry is a combination of two words, trigonon and metron. Trigonon means triangle and metron means measure. It's a branch of mathematics concerned with relationships between the angles and side angles of a triangles. Usually angles measured here are in degrees or in radians. For example, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Before getting this table, let us discuss one small topic, which is all silver teacups. So for that, we have to draw a graph showing 4 quadrants. So let me draw the graph here. This is the graph. So we are using this graph to discuss about all silver teacups. So here I have taken degrees as the angles, but you can also take radians, 0 radians, pi by 2 radians, pi by 2 radians, pi radians, and 3 pi by 2 radians. And obviously, if you come again in the next cycle, this is first quadrant having angles from 0 to 90, or otherwise radians from 0 to pi by 2. And this is second quadrant Q2. In this, angles are from 90 degrees to 180 degrees, or otherwise pi by 2 to pi. And this is the third quadrant. Here angles will be from 180 degrees to 270 degrees, or pi to 3 pi by 2. And this is the last quadrant, fourth quadrant Q4. Here angles are from 270 degrees to 360 degrees. Otherwise in radians it is from 3 pi by 2 4 pi. So pi into 4 is nothing but 360 degrees. So it will become 0 as it is. Again this repeats. So in this first quadrant, all trigonometric functions will be positive. All means sine, cosine, tangent, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. All are positive. So we will write all here. Then here in this case, silver, SILVER. So in order to identify like exactly why we are using silver here means in this quadrant, sine and its alternative. Sine is positive here, and also its alternative is what? Alternative is cosec. Sine will be having cosec, right? So cosec will be positive in this, and rest of the angles are minus. They are defined in this, but there they will be having a minus. Sine will be minus in this. Only these two will be having plus sign. Okay. Here everything sine, cosine, tan, cot, and secant and cosecant are positive. All are positive here. All positive. Okay. But whereas here, when coming to this one, this is t. We have angles with t tan theta and its alternative cot theta, both are positive, and rest of the angles are negative. Except these two, all others are defined, but they are negative with negative symbol will be there for them. And coming to the fourth quadrant, all silver tea cups, UPs. Here cos will be positive, and its alternative is what? Secant theta. Secant theta will be positive in this. Okay. Only these two will be positive, and rest of the angles are defined, but they are negative in the negative symbol will be there for them. So let us take one example. For example, I want to find, I will use different color for this. I want to find sine 120, sine of 120 degrees. So where this fall under which quadrant, we have to first split this into, first we have to know what is the resultant answer for this one. So we have to identify whether it is positive or negative. So look at where 120 degrees falls in this. According to this all silver teacups, it will fall under the Q2. Okay, so in Q2 which is positive, sine and cos are positive. So we will take the resultant will be is equal to positive will get. Okay, then we will write sine as it is and we will split this angle into known ones. So 120 can be written as 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30 degrees. Okay, it is there in this 90 plus 30 will be 120. Now next job is we have to look at this number. Look at this symbol, I mean number, whether it is positive or whether it is even or odd. So in this case, just ignore the second digit and look at the only first digit. Just discard this 0 and look at this 9. 9 is even or odd. Okay, if the number is even, then the angle will taken as it is. If the number is odd, then angle will change from sine to cos. It's alternative. So in this case 9 is odd, right? So that's why it is becoming cos. We need not write plus because in mathematics everything will be treated as plus without any symbol. Sine will become cos and we will take directly angle 30 degrees. Okay, and we know that cos 30 is what? It is root 3 by 2. Like this we can decide it is plus root 3 by 2 or without symbol, so it's okay. But if you don't know whether it is falling into this quadrant, then you will get wrong answer. Okay, let us solve one more example, then you will get clarity. Also this can be solved in this way also. Instead of writing 120, we can 120 we have split it into 90 plus 30, right? Instead of that we can also go for like this, sine of 180 minus 60 degrees. 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Even this also works good for us. So in this case, what is the symbol? We already came to know that it's plus only, right? Now let us see what this function will change. In this case, again you discard this 0 and then look at this number. Whether it is even or odd, it's even, right? So for even, we will take the sign will become sine only. Directly you will get sine is as it is. So in this case, we will take 60 degrees instead of 30 degrees. Sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Again same answer. In whatever the approach you will use, 90 plus 30 or 180 minus 60, you will get the same answer. Now let us take some other examples in the next page. Or otherwise here only we will take. Okay, I will erase this part and then we will take it here. Because I already explained one type of explanation for this. We will go with that only. 90 plus 30. Now second example is we will take one which will give negative answer for us. For example, cos of 240 degrees. Cos of 240 degrees. Now where 240 degrees falls into which quadrant? 90, 180 in this quadrant 3, right? 240 will fall in quadrant 3. So this is coming in quadrant 3, Q3. Okay, in Q3 which are positive? Tan and cot are positive, but we have cos here. So your answer will be negative, minus. Now let us split this angle. 240 we can write it as 180, here 180 plus 60. Okay, so what is our next job? We have to discard this 0 and look at this number. Whether it's even or odd, it's even, right? So for even category, what happens? Cos angle will remain same. Cos will remain cos only. And we will write cos 60. Then we will get negative answer for this. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Okay. So like this you can get negative answer using this all silver teacups. We will discuss some other examples after discussing how to identify, how to know each and angle values. Okay. So that we will discuss in the next video. But for today, only this concept, all silver teacups, is how we can identify or how we can expect the answer for each and every angle. In the next class, in next video, we will discuss the tabular column, like which function will be having what value for 0 degrees, for 30 degrees, for 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So before solving any question, first you have to identify what is the angle values for each and every known values, like 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Once you get sine value, you will get rest of all other values. Okay, so that we will discuss in the next video. And in the next video, we will see few examples. Like in this case, we have seen only sine 120 and cos 240, right? So next we will discuss about tan 330, cot 210, secant 150. So with these examples, I will again repeat the sine 120 and cos 240, and I will again take a few more examples. Like we will see third one as tan 330, tan of 330. So we will come to know this, what is the advantage of this example. And next fourth one is cot of 210. Next fifth one is secant of 150. Okay, so this we will discuss in the third video in this trigonometry. Okay, second video we are going to discuss about how to get sine values. With the help of sine values, we will get all other angles values also, all other trigonometric functions values also. So I hope this is very clear for you. If you have any doubts or any queries, you can feel free to put me in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video.